Science is amazing. It has brought to us solutions to all of humanity's problems for centuries. Yet there are many things about the universe that it hasn't been able to explain yet. Today, we will be talking about 10 strange phenomena science can't explain. As science states, nothing is ever certain, and these phenomena will definitely remind you of this statement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to know when we next upload. So let's begin. Number 1. Why do people yawn? Probably you expected something more exotic as an unexplained phenomenon by science for our first place. But turns out that even a basic thing like yawning has no explanation. Science isn't even sure of what's the biological function of yawns. And there's also no real explanation on why it's contagious between humans, or even chimpanzees, which are other social animals. Some evidence suggests that yawning is a means of communicating changing environmental or internal body conditions to others. Or perhaps we might be tired or bored. The truth is that, for now, there's no real proof of yawning's biological function. For the second place of our list, we decided to place the Taos hum. One of science's biggest mysteries is the unusual hum of unknown origin in the town of Taos, in New Mexico. It's been popularly called as the Taos hum, and there have been many theories ranging from supernatural spirits to a psychological effect to magnetism and a bunch of convoluted explanations that never seem to hit the spot regarding the Taos hum. As per research, only about 2% of the general population is believed to be hearers, the group that claims to be able to hear the hum. Sensitive equipment was set up in the homes of several of the hearers, measuring sounds and vibrations, but after extensive testing, nothing unusual was detected. Next up on our list, we have Saturn's hexagonal storm. Saturn's mysterious hexagon is another riddle for the ages, as most celestial objects tend to be spherical in nature, including their storms, and this one, for some unexplained reason, is a hexagon. On top of that, the storm seems to have changed colors across the years. It was originally a bright turquoise color, as photographed by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, and changed to a yellow color. One theory for this is that sunlight is creating haze as the pole is exposed to sunlight due to the change in the season. While Saturn's rings have been easily explained by science, its hexagon storm still remains a big mystery. For the fourth spot of our list, we decided to place the fate of things sucked by a black hole. Black holes have been explained accurately thanks to science. A black hole is a place in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. Easy to understand. However, where do you go when you're pulled inside? Most objects that get close to a black hole become spaghettified, which means that they are stretched to a thin noodle-like shape. However, nobody has found an answer to what happens inside a black hole, though hopefully, astronomers and scientists will find out one day. The fifth entry on our list is a specific incident that has left scientists completely baffled as to its explanation. On March 3, 1876, flakes of what appeared to be red meat fell from the sky over Olympia Springs, Kentucky. The phenomenon was documented by several serious publications and analyzed by scientists, who identified it as horse meat, or the flesh of an infant. Many believe that the meat shower was regurgitated by nearby vultures, although there's no confirmation of this being what exactly happened. Coming up sixth on our list, a mysterious event that occurred on March 8, 2014, in which a Malaysia Airlines plane flying from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing disappeared from radar without a trace, with 227 passengers and 12 crew members on board. Malaysia's former Prime Minister, Najib Razak, stated that the aircraft's flight ended somewhere in the Indian Ocean, but no further explanation had been given. Bring on your tinfoil hats for this one, as theories have ranged from hijacking to North Korea attacks to being in a militarized island and, of course, aliens. On the 7th place of our list, we ask you, the viewer, do you know what is dark matter? Dark matter doesn't reflect or emit light, but high concentrations of the substance can bend light, which is how scientists know that it exists. Yet it seems like this substance makes up more parts of our universe than we can actually see. There's more dark matter than normal matter, yet scientists aren't still too sure what it is. Number 8. Why does ASMR work? Next up on our list, we question one of the things many YouTubers have gone on to become famous. ASMR, which is huish voices, soft sounds, and textured fabrics on a special microphone that result in a relaxing, tingling sensation in the brain in about 90% of the population. But why it happens and why it doesn't work for everyone is still unknown. On our number 9 spot, we have another astronomical mystery. The Kuiper belt is located in an area of the outer solar system just beyond the orbit of Neptune, and it contains hundreds of thousands of icy bodies lying around, which for some reason end at a spot called the Kuiper Cliff. Some years ago, astronomers ran several simulations and discovered that a small planet, around half the size of the Earth, could have formed inside Neptune's orbit, which means there's a possibility of another planet being in the outside of our solar system. Or maybe we're just fantasizing. Who knows? Number 10. How was the universe created? Perhaps the best-known theory about the beginning of the universe is the Big Bang theory, in which the universe expanded from an extremely hot and dense singularity around 13.8 billion years ago. Yet the exact process that actually caused the Big Bang, if that's really how everything happened, is still unknown. What could have caused such a massive event on a universal scale? These are certainly many mysteries that have made scientists scratch their heads about their possible explanation. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to give us a like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more great content like this. We'll see you next time.